Hello, welcome back everybody. So in the last video I had shown you about the cross hatching, shading and smudging technique. So if you have any doubt, please go back to the video and see it again. Slowly you just observe it and then start doing. Again, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Now let's come to crisscross. So what do you mean by crisscross? So it's going to be just making random crosses like this. So wherever possible, do not make it in a row wise or in a very systematic way. Just make it randomly. Random means what? Just like that, okay? No measurements or no specific alignment. So just make cross marks like this. So this is called crisscross method, okay? So completely, first I'm using a HB pencil here. So next boxes consecutively you are supposed to use 2B, 4B, 6B and everything, okay? Or if you have 5B, you can do it in 5B. If you have 10B, you can do it. So see in the box, whatever pencils that you have, you can start doing it. So this is called as crisscross shading pattern. Now let's go to stippling. So stippling is very simple. Just hold your pencil this way, okay, vertically, and just make quick dots like this. Do not sit and make dots like this, just do it this way, okay? Just when you make random dotted techniques, so you will get a dots like this, okay? So it takes a lot of patience and maybe your hand might pain a bit, but finally the effect when you do the shading, it will look beautiful, okay? So start filling the box like this, okay, with these random dots like this, okay? Yeah, this is called as stippling, that is just making of the dots. Now doodling, if you had attended bridge course, before bridge course, the introductory sessions, I had told you about doodling, that is random patterns, any patterns that you can do. So you can just make lines like this or lines like this and then do this, okay, and do this. And we had also done some triangles like this, anything, any patterns, okay, just normal without any meaning. So this is called as doodling, okay? Yeah, so you can just do this. So any pattern that you like, you can go back to that page where you had done the doodling, okay, and you can just make this. This is called as doodling. So this is the complete shading techniques. So I have shown you a row using only HB pencil. Now you need to do the other boxes using the other pencils, okay? Yeah, so all of you can sit and see the video and start doing it, okay? Thank you.